You've seen people making money online. You've heard how easy it is to make money online, but is it really as easy as people say it is? Is it something that you can be doing? Today's video, I'm going to share with you the 5 different ways that I have been able to build a full-time income online from my phone using social media. And I'm going to break it down step by step so that you can have the same success that I have had too. And the first place that I started with this online business was actually in network marketing. And what I love about network marketing is I love that there is that reoccurring income, so to speak, where you're not necessarily trading time for money. You are building this reoccurring revenue stream that happens over time on autopilot, right? So it doesn't happen right away. It takes time. It takes time to build a team, but I have found a network marketing company that really builds differently and is very different than the traditional network marketing pyramid scheme, so to speak, that people talk about. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to link it right over here so you can kind of watch the video as to why it's a little bit different. And in the description of this video, I'm going to post a place for you to message me over on Facebook if you're interested and you want to learn more. But network marketing was where I first started, and it has been definitely one of the major sources of my online income. And if you're at all open to learning more about building a reoccurring income online through network marketing, definitely make sure you reach out. Now, the second way that I build a full-time income online is through affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is fantastic in that you're building this audience, you're building this brand online, and you're recommending either products or services that you believe, that you stand behind, and then what happens is somebody will purchase from your link, whether it be a course, whether it be a service or a product that you are standing behind, making videos just like this over on YouTube or on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok, wherever it is, and you receive a commission off of each order. And so I've added affiliate marketing into my repertoire, and that is amazing as well because I only promote things that I like and that I stand behind, and then what happens is I start to get orders, and it's kind of like that snowball effect, both with network marketing and affiliate marketing. It kind of starts to pick up speed and it takes off. Now, the third way that I've been able to monetize myself online is actually through an authoritative website. And an authoritative website is building kind of like a blog or a website that has a lot of social proof and authority, whether it be in a niche that you are really passionate about or maybe something that you know a ton about. And you build a website, and through that, you actually end up putting a ton of affiliate links. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to link for you my authoritative website. It's called bellybrain.org, and what it is me as a licensed professional counselor really believes in the gut health and the brain connection. And so I created this authoritative website to connect the belly, brain, and the gut. So I provide a ton of value to my audience, but at the same time, I've been able to monetize this website through sponsored ads, through affiliate marketing, you name it, and it has brought in an additional income stream. Now, the fourth way that I've been able to monetize myself online is through course creation. And so what I also do is I do a ton of training for network marketers on how to use YouTube like I'm doing over here and how it's helped me build my business. And so from that, I've created a course called the YouTube Academy for network marketers, and I have set up, a staging place through Kartra where they house my course and my emails and all of my landing pages and everything, and that is over in Kartra. And that is also really cool because it's kind of once you set it up, and it takes a little bit of time to set it up, but once you set it up and you drive traffic, whether it be through, again, TikTok, YouTube, ads, organic, it doesn't matter, it brings in an additional income stream for me every single month on autopilot because it's set up. So it's kind of one of those set and forgets, which is amazing. And then the fifth way that I have been able to monetize myself online is I actually publish children's books now. So before I got started in this online business, I was a licensed professional counselor, school counselor by trade, and I really found my passion project through helping kids and writing books about anxiety and mental health issues and publishing that book on Amazon. And again, because I'm building a brand and an audience online, I'm able to then go and push out my book that I've written, and I'll link it here in the description of this video too, so you can check it out. But that's the 5th way that I've been able to monetize myself online. And so what I can say is it doesn't come easy. It takes some time, it takes some strategy, it takes a whole lot of learning, especially for somebody like myself who knew nothing about marketing, who knew nothing about being an online business owner. But what I can tell you is when you put in the 4th, when you put in the consistency, amazing things can happen in your business. And now I truly love what I do, and I'm able to build multiple income streams online from my phone, having the flexibility in my schedule that I didn't necessarily have as a school counselor. So if you're looking to get started online and you want to know more about some of the things that I'm doing, again, I'm going to put in the description of this video a way for you to come and contact me so we can talk and see what would be a good fit. And I'm happy to mentor you and happy to help you grow a business online, because it truly has been a game changer for me. And I will see you next week for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV.